I mentioned the possibility that by the end of 2011 or 2012, there might be a next global financial crisis. Why is it so? The main reason, in my opinion, is that my fear is that the QE2 or quantitative easing tool announced by US, or just simply the second round of printing of money by US might fail. As all of you might remember, in the financial crisis, US actually in the last 2 years have already printed total about $2 trillion. And this has not really worked. Unemployment figures in US is still above 9% despite the printing of $2 trillion. So if $2 trillion couldn't work, I really doubt that the next round of printing of 600 billion US dollar would work. So if by the end, after they finish printing money, which probably will be June 2011, and a few months later on, as the US economy slows down again, and it shows that the printing of money doesn't really help in reviving the US economy, then by the end of the year, this might trigger a crash in the confidence in markets. And if there's a crash in confidence in the markets, this might actually trigger a crash in the stock markets and even in the property markets worldwide. And this is why this may trigger the next global financial crisis. I don't wish for this to happen, but I think the chance of something like this happening is quite high. So as a fellow investor, what I would suggest for everyone is to be prepared for such a possibility. And even if it doesn't happen, if you are prepared, there's always no harm of being over-prepared. But if it comes and you are caught right in the middle without totally surprised by it, then you might actually suffer a very big loss. So the last round of making money in the stock market will happen in 2011, but please beware that thereafter there might be another global financial crisis, and I hope you can get out before the crisis strikes.